Hey y'all, I went ahead and partnered with the good guys over here at Epic Water Filters. This is one of their pure pitchers. Now they do have two other items. They do have a under the sink filter, and then they also have a water bottle that filters as well. These are really good filters. They eliminate odors and chlorine aftertaste for a crisp, flavorful hydration. Each filter removes 200 plus contaminants. Once again, like fluoride, forever chemicals, lead, microplastics, things that's in our water, that's just not good. Now, this is a long lasting filter. Each filter produces about 150 gallons of fresh water. So about around 3 to 4 months of use. So it really is good. Get a lifetime warranty, 100% satisfaction guarantee with a full refund if you do not like it. So you do have a warranty with it. Also, this pitcher is BPA free. So you know how some plastics have chemicals in it. This is BPA free, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals in the plastic. So this is a really good pitcher as well. Not only is this pitcher BPA free, when you're using this, you're actually replacing over 1,000 single-use plastic bottles. So every bottle, case of water that you buy at the store, you're replacing that when you use this. So sign up with Epic Water Filters. You will not be disappointed. And right here, this is a timer. So you have a timer showing that your 90-day period. So you don't have to worry about writing on your calendar. It's a timer dedicated on the pitcher itself. Also, Epic Water Filters, they're a small business on a mission just to reduce the use of plastic. So I'm not sure if y'all seen those videos with the landfills with a bunch of plastic. They don't want that. So this is why they're giving you options of a water pitcher, a sink unit, and a water bottle so you can drink cleaner and safer water for yourself, for your family. And not only that, if you're planning on going on a camping trip, you can take this pitcher with you, fill it up with some water, it'll filter it for you. You don't have to worry about buying any water bottles. Other than that, the link will be in the description below. Once again, shout out to Epic Water Filters for sponsoring the video. Let's get back into the video. See right here, see I'm trying to press on the gas.